This lift we built for a Vietnam veteran who lost use of his legs. He could transfer from his wheelchair onto the tractor seat, and then he would raise himself up to get himself above the steering wheel height. Then he can lower himself down. To the operating position. And then the tractor has hand controls on both the brake and the hydrostatic transmission, so you can operate the tractor. The tractor does have a backhoe for it. He would be able to raise himself up, swivel, and then go back down and operate the backhoe from the same seat. And then he'd be able to reach the hydrostatic transmission to move the tractor forward as he's digging with his backhoe.